And welcome back to Primetime News. A special welcome if you're watching on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. First up this evening, 3 people are dead and 4 others wounded following a gun attack on Mandela Terrace in St. Andrew last night. Details in this report.
Peace, hope, faith, love. The writings on the wall. But what happened at this location last night was quite the opposite. About 10:45 p.m., a group was gathered at a candlelight vigil just outside this shop along Mandela Terrace off Waltham Park Road in St. Andrew when armed men drove up in a black motorcar and opened gunfire. 7 persons were shot and later rushed to hospital. 3 of them died while undergoing treatment, while the other 4 have been admitted in serious condition. The police have released the identity of the deceased.
The deceased are Derek Goodgame Jr., 32 years old laborer of Chatsworth Avenue. Kimberly Plummer, 23 years old customer service representative of Mandela Terrace, and an unidentified male, also of Mandela Terrace.
No motive has yet been established for the attack, but the police say they are working on several leads. There's been increased police presence in the area since, and this appeal.
I also wish to make an appeal to the citizens to adhere to the law and apply to the police for permission to host functions. This will assist us in implementing measures which will minimize incidents of this sort. I also make an appeal to persons who may have information that will aid us in our investigations to call 119, 311, or any police station.
Amoy Harriet, TVJ News.